Healthy gut, healthy you. In order to maintain good health, our gut needs to be taken care of. The Healthy Gut package truly is the best choice for your health. Why can we call it the best? It contains an optimized ratio and unique combination of ingredients, unique from the competition. This leads to remarkable improvement in gut health, in turn improving your overall health significantly. Tummy Pal contains 5 different strains of probiotics, uniquely and professionally formulated for individuals of East Asian origin. Among them, Lactobacillus acidophilus and Bifidobacterium lactis help to break down lactose, which is suitable for most Asians with lactose intolerance. It also contains FOS, which are food for probiotics, enhancing their growth and strengthening their function. Our prebiotic concentrate contains quality, natural, silo-oligosaccharides, or XOS, which are rarely seen in prebiotic supplements on the market. Especially in a concentration this high, it provides a quick yet convenient and efficient solution to supply probiotics with an excellent food source, assisting in their function within the digestive tract. The efficacy of our Super Gut product is 20 times higher than other oligosaccharides. Our gut product bundle has 7 main benefits. It strengthens the digestive system. It strengthens the immune system. It aids in weight management. It aids in maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system and skeletal system. It improves homeostatic levels, emotions, and memory. It enhances cytopathy suppression. Our new Life Healthy Gut Bundle contains no lactose, gluten, or harmful additives. It is also resistant to heat and acidic environment. The process in which the Healthy Gut Bundle is manufactured surpasses GMP along with STC Tested qualifications. It has proven itself to be a reputable product and comes with a guarantee of quality. The Healthy Gut Bundle is by far your best choice.